Let's install my wig. Oh guys, my hairline. But it's getting better. I've been using this. The Cheve hair food. Someone recommended it. So I feel like it has been doing it's been helping out a bit. I don't want to say it has been doing wonders because I'd be lying, but slowly, surely we'll get there. I'm seeing a bit of a difference, but yeah, we're not there today. I'm going to be installing this wig. Guys, it's 5 a.m. in the morning, so I'm tired. It's Monday. I'm about to go to work, so just want to install this before I go bath. I don't wear a wig cap because I don't have it, which is wrong, but hey, whatever. I'm a beginner. This is how to install your wig as a beginner. This is the glue I'm going to be using. The Glamour. This is the Glamour Extra Mega Hold. This, guys, this does wonders. I've used Ghost Bond. I've used Got to Be, but this will make your job so much easier. This saved me from giving up on installations. Yeah, so for the past few weeks, I've been installing and not straightening my hair. Like, it would give this messy, this messy look that most people actually liked. But I feel like, man, I don't like that look. I want my wig to be straight and neat. You know, classy look. Oof, guys, do you also struggle with the hair at the back? Like, I have 4C hair, so no matter how much I comb the hair at the back, after a few minutes it goes back to looking scruffy. Let's go in. I wiped my forehead in case there's any oil. And with this Glamour glue, you really don't need too much product. I just sprayed it twice. See, you really don't need much. Ooh, that is nice. Alright, when I'm done with that, I'm just gonna use this one. And I'm just gonna use this wax just to get the hair away from the glue. And this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna wipe off this excess glue. So it looks. I'm gonna tie it. You even notice there's lots of glue. I'm gonna tie it. Okay, I remove the glue once I untie it. You must make sure it's tight, guys. I have to make sure that it is tight. Otherwise, it won't do what it needs to do. One day our brains are just gonna pop. Ooh. Actually, let me take it to the back, because if I tie it here in front, it gives me a headache. Listen. Under our brains are just gonna pop out. I have this band, but I need to wash it. I really need to wash it. So I will just use this for today. And yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair. There's a heat protector that everyone uses, so I was like, hey, you know what? Since everyone is using this, why not? Yeah, I wash my hair with Tresemme as well. Tresemme for wigs, guys. It will save you from a lot of spending. You don't have to constantly be buying new wigs because of the damage. You'll be set for a good year or two. Now I can wear a wig, guys. I can wear a wig for months. Oh, I know I look hideous right now. Guys, when it comes to doing your hair, you need time. You can't expect to do your hair in 30 minutes. You need time. Otherwise, you leave the house looking like a madman, and you don't want that, right? So I'm just straightening the hair quickly because yeah, today I really want to look neat. Ooh, look at my eyes. Yo guys, I dreamed I had long hair, but towards the end of my dream, I was in the, oh my gosh, I was in the bathroom. I was using the toilet, and next thing you know, as I'm washing my hands, the toilet, it falls. As it's falling, I try to catch it. Not catch it, but, you know, kick up it. I don't know how to put it in English. I try to catch it from falling, but then it falls in any case. And there was poop all over, just splurting in the bathroom. I was so scared, and I woke up like there was poop everywhere. People who can interpret dreams, please tell me, what does that mean? There was poop everywhere. It was just splashing all over. I was like, yo. And yeah, it woke me up. That horrible dream. Why would I dream of poop? Like, why? That's why in our family, sometimes they would say if you dream of poop, it means someone is pregnant. But who can possibly be pregnant? I can't think of anyone. Because it's definitely not me. Definitely not me. We're not going down that route ever again. But yeah. Oh, I look like a mad woman. Look at my eyes. Guys, time is not on my side. That's why I'm taking bigger pieces now. Because I still need to go bath.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man with the bata. What's it go? You are go. All the bendy. The cash. Ride the foot. I know feet. Die for nothing.
At work, they always ask me who installs my hair, and when I tell them I do it myself, they never believe me. Because of how good it looks. Guys, I want to actually been disappointed. Today, everybody said I have a Nokia. Because wig installations, guys, it will never look the same. From one installation to another, it's always something different. Sometimes it looks so good, other times it looks so bad. And I ask myself, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? So frustrating. I still say I want the person who came with this installation business. I want them here. No matter what the heck were you thinking? We were fine with our wigs, the ones that we just put on and leave. We were fine with them. And then you had to come with your glue tonis here. Now we are struggling here. Actually, it's the high bun, but we'll do that some other day when we have time. Because for today, we do not. I'm a liker of things. Because nobody sent me a Jamaica frontal. I'm a liker of things. I can go fit. Look at me now, struggling.
Anything when you do, they must commend it.
I think that will do. Oh, wow. I couldn't think straight. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe off here and then apply foundation. Oh, don't like how it looks on the side, but it's fine. Swipe off here. Yo, but I'm even red because of how tight that band was. And just wipe off the excess glue that I can see. Okay, and then this is how it looks. And from here, Just going to apply my foundation. There's a shade 352, it's my shade. So I just use this. Just put a bit on there, not too much. Don't want to be looking like a madman. Let's just get that glue off. And voila! And guys, if you're a beginner, there will be hair everywhere. There will be hair everywhere. Don't be hard on yourself. It's okay. You are a beginner. You can't get it right the first few times. It will be messy. Just gonna put on this band because that thing, yay. And I'm sorry that my band is dirty. It has glue on it. Like I said, I need to wash it. I don't like it. It's not tight enough. Doesn't do the job, guys. If it's not tight, it's not gonna do the job. I need to get something tight. Gonna use this again, but I won't tie it too tight this time. I'm just gonna apply this. I just applied the mousse so that I could have a bit of control because the hair was just all over. Ooh, guys, I'm running late. Just gonna tie it here. I didn't make it too tight, so just gonna use actually I'm gonna go both quickly. Ooh, this band, I need to cut it and make it smaller because it's clearly big, so it's not doing its job. Alright guys, I'll check you once I'm done bathing. I'm done bathing. Just gonna remove this. Ooh, I hope it looks good. Ciao.
Dann muss ich was lernen.
Guys, I was so late, so I just left. Yo, I forgot to draw that line, but it's fine. So this is the final look. This is the installation. What? So cute. So guys, for beginners, you can do it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just learn. Practice makes perfect. We can all install wigs. There's no need to be wasting your money every time you want to install a wig. Yes, for special occasions you can go get your wig installed by a professional, but on other days where you feel like wearing a wig, just do it yourself. I hope this was helpful. Yeah, I just slicked it down with mousse. Yeah, scope. And like I said, it will be a bit messy. There'll be hair everywhere, but it's fine. It's fine.